This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Skeporek. Want to wake up and feel like you are at a 5-star resort every day? This home is it. 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Split floor plan. Beautiful pool/patio screened lanai with spa. Open floor plan for entertaining and family gatherings. A hard-to-find triple garage for extra toys. Having pavers wrap completely around the home, starting with the pool area, makes for a beautiful, complete outisde area front and back. With a paver porch on the front of the home for your morning coffee. No flood-ins. Requiered. 20 minutes to the Punta Gorda airport. Large great room with formal dining or extra space for your office. This home comes completely furnished, if you would like. If you are looking for a great rental property, this is perfect. Granite countertops and baths are beautifully done. Lots of cabinet space and large pantry. Added attraction with southern exposure. Short drive to your favorite dining spots and shopping. Very quiet area. Motivated seller. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Skeporek at 239-443-3160.